If you're looking for a done-for-you affiliate sales funnel, you're in the right place, because I'm going to share with you exactly how you can get access to not only a done-for-you affiliate funnel that will literally automatically follow up and close sales for you, making you commissions even while you're sleeping, but I'm also going to share with you how you can access done-for-you products that are already created, built into this funnel, that will pay you instant 100% commissions. Now, real quick, I want to share with you some of the results that I've been having leveraging this exact same sales funnel. You can see right here, I mean, these payments are coming in like clockwork, $900, $900 over and over again. And the cool thing is that the highest level inside of this program that gives you all of this done for you, including the high converting sales funnel, the highest level is $900. So you only need a few of these per month to make some absolutely amazing income. But it's not just me getting some amazing results with this sales funnel. I want to share with you some results of other people so you can see what's possible. And then I want to get into exactly how you can implement this yourself. So you can see right here, Daryl, he said he had a $1,500 morning, okay, using this exact same affiliate sales funnel. You can see right here, $114,000 earned in 8 months. Okay, how would that feel if you could literally, starting from zero, starting from no experience, no technical ability possibly, right, anywhere in the world, and be able to deploy this done-for-you funnel? And by the way, there will be a link directly below. At any point, you can click that and you can actually go ahead and get started and implement this yourself. Just a few more before I get into this. Leslie, I almost quit 7 months ago. Okay, so she was a little bit frustrated online. And now I've turned $600 into $76,000. Okay, now this is absolutely incredible. 7 figures made, okay, new leads. I just made my first sale. So you can see that this is absolutely incredible. Now, this is how it's going to basically work. Okay, this sales funnel is basically going to have a capture page here. Okay, and then it's going to give you follow-up emails. Okay, so it will literally have this pre-built. Okay, so when someone goes to your done-for-you capture page and the start of your funnel and they put their email in, this email sequence will automatically start firing off, sending people back to the sales page that you'll also get access to. And when someone buys one of the 4 levels, okay, the 100, the 300, 600, 900, you will actually make money in whatever payment method you choose. So if you prefer Stripe, you can get paid in Stripe. If you prefer PayPal, Cash App, you can do that, and then you just transfer it to a bank account. So how do you actually get started and access this? There's going to be, like I said, a link directly below. When you go there, you put your best email. Eventually, you'll get taken to this page here, okay? Now, you just want to scroll down, and you can look over the different testimonials and things like that, but essentially, you want to scroll to the very bottom, and you want to choose one of the 4 levels yourself, okay? Because what this is this is an affiliate marketing and digital marketing program that gives you the done-for-you sales funnel, gives you training on how to generate tons of traffic to flood into the sales funnel, but it also gives you master resell rights to resell these products as your own. So you can actually turn around and leverage this same sales funnel to make 100% instant commissions, because people are going to buy it directly from you. So all you have to do is choose one of the levels. The main difference is the level of training and the ability of earning, okay? So the higher level you join, there's a 900, a 600, 300, 100, the higher you can make per commission, okay? So you can make money at the level you join and below. So that's why the $900 level, that's a one-time payment, by the way, is the most popular. So all you have to do is go there, click on this button, go ahead, pay the one-time fee, pay the one-time $29 admin fee that goes to the website creator, and you have full access. Now, once you do that, you'll get a welcome email from me with more information on how to set everything up and access our community. So if you ever need support or you want to access the live trainings on how to get even more people going through your funnel to make these instant commissions. But I want to share with you real quick that you'll also get access to this full training, walking you through step-by-step how to leverage this sales funnel. And you can see right here in this module, this is all about setting up your sales funnel with affiliate and digital marketing, all the accounts you need to open, how to easily set up your own professional website and URL, okay, with GoDaddy, how to open a Square account, okay, Squarespace, or PayPal, and then how to actually import your sales page, funnel, and capture page using the template. Okay, so this is what one of the capture pages looks like. Very professional, converts incredibly well. You can send people to this page, and again, they'll get taken through this journey automatically, allowing you to make these instant commissions. So this funnel is absolutely incredible. Again, go down below, success loves speed, choose one of the levels here, okay? And then look out for a welcome email. You'll be able to get the training, implement this funnel, and start to drive traffic and clicks as soon as today. And then the funnel will do all the selling, telling, and following up, converting leads, like I said, even while you're sleeping, so you can go ahead and start to create some absolutely amazing results just like this, okay? Take action today, and I would look forward to seeing you on the inside.